Way they go. Snake me spaghetti, getting personal. Running by the rallies, mischievous, rushing up is Dayang Dayang, and moving up by the rallies, Golden Majestic. Royal Scepter is running in sixth position. Snake me spaghetti by Sam 3 lengths, followed by Getting Personal. Alongside Dayang Dayang, down on the inside, Golden Majestic. Mischievous racing on the outside, and Royal Scepter down on the inside. Gifted Talent, Mana Mana, Celestial Lovely Tara, and entry number 2. This one is Federal Court. Last 400. It's now Getting Personal. Mischievous down on the inside is Golden Majestic. Racing towards the last turn, it's still Getting Personal by a length and a half. And on the outside is Royal Scepter, Dayang Dayang, Golden Majestic. Getting Personal, Royal Scepter from the outside, Dayang Dayang, Lovely Tara, but still Getting Personal by some 2 lengths now, followed now by Lovely Tara. Third, Royal Scepter, Dayang Dayang, Gifted Talent for your Fantafecta. Then comes Snake Me Spaghetti, Mana Mana Mischievous, Golden Majestic, Celestial,